Welcome to week 3 of our course. Just a reminder, hopefully you had a good book talk discussion brainstorming session with your group this past week, and now in week 3 you'll simply be reading some more of your book on your own and taking notes, getting ready for your next discussion together. Another assignment for this week will be the continuing TED Talk series. So the group A was participating last week by posting, and you were commenting on some of their posts and they were discussing with you. This week, group B will be posting their TED Talks, so they will be launching their 3 to 5 minute video about something that they're passionate about in education or in coaching, and inviting your comments and discussions. If you are not posting this week, if you're not signed up for Group B, you still need to look through their posts and decide which 2 or more you'd like to comment on and give them some responses. The notes you're taking this week on your readings will be, again, just highlighting 3 important quotes or ideas from each of the major sources in the beginning part of this module. That would be Gloria Ladson-Billings, who is currently very famous, still speaks in the area for culturally responsive practices. Tyrone Howard is another current contemporary expert and theorist around meeting the needs of all different kinds of cultures of students that we see in our schools today. And there are also some video clips with primary sources, with people from various cultures speaking about their experiences in their schools and their families in America. So you'll be taking notes, 3 ideas on each, along with a paragraph, just a short paragraph, to reflect on how some of those aspects are showing up for you in your settings in education or in coaching now. The final 2 sources you'll be reading to prepare for your discussion about culturally relevant practices will be Pedro Noguera and Lisa Delpit. They both have wonderful, thought-provocative things to say from various perspectives of lived experience and researching others' stories about culturally proficient needs and practices and mindsets. So it will help you to add some good ideas to your own essay that you'll be posting in discussion 1. You do not need to submit notes from these 2 authors that you're reading, but certainly read through and think about some of the ideas, because in your discussion 1 post with your classmates, you will be writing 4 to 6 paragraphs explaining your own thoughts, but also citing at least 4 of the different authors that we're reading this week and in the past week around the idea of what to teach and how to reach students from various diverse aspects that make up our American classrooms and coaching fields today. So your discussion needs to be posted by this Wednesday at midnight, because you will be responding to each other's discussions, at least 5 of your classmates in this whole group discussion, that you will be honoring some of the ideas that they're sharing, maybe asking some questions, presenting some various other viewpoints. All the specifics are in the rubric that is outlined in the syllabus, and they're also listed on the actual assignment when you open up the discussion and begin your post. There's a copy of the rubric there for you to review. Thanks. A lot of thinking on your part this week around the areas of trying to meet the needs of all students in today's schools and coaching situations. So I will let you get at it. Thank you.